just lay here.
This is such a heartwarming and incredibly powerful update from Derek Hough regarding his wife, Hayley. The Dancing with the Stars celebrity couple has been through a lot the past week, and Hayley was in emergency brain surgery only about 6 days before this video. She had an emergency craniectomy performed for a ruptured blood vessel in her brain, according to media outlets. And based on the footage that Derek provided in this video with Hayley wearing that helmet, that is definitely what she had done, because that's what we have patients wear after undergoing removal of their skull. What happens in this emergency procedure is that a neurosurgeon will remove a part of the skull to access the brain that's bleeding and then leave the skull off to allow the brain to swell. This is just a model, and usually the amount of skull that we remove is significantly larger than this. Derek mentioned that she's going to have a second surgery, and that is to replace the skull that is missing. And we do that by a couple of ways. One option is that we can take the patient's skull during the first surgery and freeze it, and then replace it during a second surgery. And believe it or not, sometimes instead of freezing the bone flap, we can actually implant it in the patient's abdomen to keep it sterile and safe for later use. The other option is what Derek mentioned Hayley will have, which is a prosthetic or customized 3D printed bone flap that we can place right back on, and that gives the best cosmetic result. Best wishes to Derek and Hayley, because to see her walking like this only 6 days after the surgery is an incredibly positive thing, in hopes that she can make a complete recovery.